Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to Gusto Payroll. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a admin to your Gusto account so that they can see some data. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. Now, in order to actually go ahead and add an admin, let's go ahead and log on to Gusto. Click on the bottom left-hand corner where it says your company profile icon name. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on permissions. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on where it says add a role. Now, once you click on add a role, there's different access level types. You can add a basic, a limited admin, or a global admin. Go ahead and select the role that you want to add for whatever admin purpose. Click on continue, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an admin to your Gusto Payroll account. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.